So make sure you implement this strategy and stop leaving money on the table. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Jandi and I help people create their own financial freedom using e-commerce. In today's video, I'm gonna share my own strategy that I use that generated me over 8x using Facebook ads. So make sure you implement this strategy and stop leaving money on the table. If you have any questions regarding your Shopify store, make sure you join our Ecom Action Taker Facebook group. I'll provide the link in the description and I'm pretty active there, so I'll be able to help you out. We are trying to build a community where everyone can benefit from one another. Also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and as well as the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the next video that I am going to upload, because this is just the part 1 of this current strategy. So make sure you go do that and I'll see you guys soon. So today I just want to share you guys a very powerful strategy that everyone should be implementing into their Facebook ads. This is called retargeting. Now everyone should be implementing this because you're probably leaving money on the table. This is where all the profit should be coming from. You probably expect at least 5x return on investment if you do it properly. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I do this. This is just a part 1 of this video, and then we're going to go through the advanced strategy on part 2. This is the basic strategy. Everyone should be doing this once they start seeing results on their Facebook ads. And also, if you see on my screen, this is my current sale today. You know, we're not even at the end of today yet. I'm just going to show you guys. We still have a few hours, and this is just US, so we'll expect to hit at least 6,500. I'm still scaling this store at the moment, and make sure that I refresh that so you can see that it is not fake. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys now my own retargeting strategy. Make sure you have a pen and paper and start writing things down. Like I said previously, this is going to be in 2 parts, from beginner to advanced Facebook retargeting. Just a little overview of what we're going to be talking about. I'm going to show you guys the requirements that is needed in order for you to achieve the same results that I'm achieving, which is over 8x return on investment. Second point is the custom audience, explaining you what that is, the basics, and also how to set that up. And then we'll go through today on how to do your first retargeting on Facebook ads, beginners. Before you start retargeting, make sure you have at least 5+ consistent sales per day. You could probably go lower, maybe 4 consistent sales per day, but at least there is some consistency with your sales. And you also obviously need a Facebook business ad manager. And the third point is you need at least 2 to 3 ad creatives. I recommend a new short video. Don't just use your main one. Okay, you probably can, but I don't recommend you guys using your main ad creative. So you can even just make that main one a shorter version. Okay, also have a photo ready and a carousel. And then the fourth thing is making the custom audiences, which I'll be showing in this video. So what's custom audience? Custom audiences are people who have engaged, interacted, and visited your page. i.e., an example, people who viewed your video, people who landed on your page and added to cart. So this goes to your Facebook pixel. This gets recorded to your Facebook pixel. Now you can use that data to retarget them, remarket them. This is why these custom audiences are very extremely powerful tool, if not the most important tool, to get the most out of your Facebook ads. You're basically just showing and making sure that you're remarketing to the people that have interacted on your content, okay, on your ads, on your page, people who added to cart, especially people who added to cart. Okay, that's where you're gonna make the most money, because people are already adding to cart. They are the closest to getting that purchase. So why wouldn't you implement a remarketing to them by applying and showing them, giving them discounts and free shipping and such. Also, you can use custom audiences to create lookalike audience, and that's gonna be on a separate video by itself. Basically, lookalike audiences are people who are similar to, for example, who viewed your video. Facebook is gonna look for people who are similar to the people who viewed your video, who landed on your page and such. Okay, let's get started. Beginner retargeting strategy. The requirement for this, at least 5 to 20 consistent sales every day. Okay, and the second point is you should be creating a custom audience of 50%, 75%, 95% video views 180 days. And then create a view content excluding add to cart 180 days. Add to cart excluding purchase 180 days. So you're making what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 custom audiences, and I'm gonna be showing to you guys how you do that. Okay, so firstly, you want to go to your Facebook business ad manager. You just click asset library and click audiences. Okay, and this will bring you to this page, and then you hit create audience, custom audience. Now the first custom audiences that you want to make are the video views. So you just click videos. Okay, change that to 180 days. Okay, and go browse 50% of your video. So this is the first one you want to make. Choose video. Make sure you choose the video that you are using when you were advertising, and then you just want to name it 50% VV, stands for video views 180 days. Okay, make sure you name this correctly, because in the future you are going to be making a lot of custom audiences. Okay, and then just hit create audience, and then you just want to do the same thing for 75% and 95%. So you just go back to create audience, custom audience, a video, browse 75%, people who have watched 75%, and then do the same thing for 95%. Make sure you change that to 180 days and name that 75% video views 180 days, create audience. Okay, so now you want to create the other two custom audiences, which is VC, stands for view content excluding add to cart, and then a separate one, add to cart excluding purchases. To do that, you have to go to your Shopify store and grab the content ID. So now you just want to go to your Shopify store, and then you just want to grab the numbers at the top. Okay, you go to your product, open up the product, and then copy the numbers at the top like so. Go back to your asset library. Okay, create audience, create custom audience like before, but now you're gonna be choosing website traffic. Cool. So in this website traffic, you just want to go click the drop down box, okay, and then go choose view content, change that to 180 days, and then hit refine by URL parameter, hit the drop down box for URL and select content ID, and then you just want to paste the numbers here from your product. So basically you're using your product ID, so people who viewed your product, right, is selected in this custom audience. Also, you want to do this, okay, make sure you change that to all, and then hit the exclude people, and then you want to look at add to cart 180 days. Cool. You want to do the same thing. Sorry, we can just do that. 180 days, add it to cart. Okay, and then just name your audience VC, view content excluding, add to cart ATC 180 days, and then you do the same thing for add to cart. Okay, so once you've created that, you just go back to website traffic, you go add to cart, blah blah blah, put your content ID in there, and then exclude people, purchase. Okay, purchase, it's not on this one, but you should be able to see purchase on your one, because my ad account, this one's a new ad account, and it hasn't shown any purchases yet. Okay, and then name that one add to cart excluding purchase 180 days. So you make sure you change that to 180 days and create audience. So that means you're gonna have 5 custom audiences, and you want to be using those and creating a campaign to start retargeting. Awesome. So now that we're back in our slide and we've created those 5 custom audiences, you now want to go and create a CBO, campaign budget optimization, at $15. Okay, you're going to be creating 3 ad sets, so that's one each for each custom audiences, and you're going to attach 2 ads per ad set, so you're going to have a total of 6 ads. Okay, this is going to be what the structure of your CBO look like. Okay, ignore the name here, the campaign level name. Basically, you're gonna have the retargeting campaign, budget optimization, $15. Okay, so the first one, you want to create an ad set with a custom audience of 50%, 75%, and 95% video views. Okay, and then exclude people who viewed content excluding ATC. That's the second custom audiences we made. This one, view content excluding ATC. So you want to create a custom audience for that. Sorry, you want to create an ad set for this, right, these 3, and then exclude this. Okay, so basically what we're saying here is we just want to target people who just watch our video but didn't click into our website. Okay, and then we're going to be attaching 2 ads on that video. The first video, which I said previously, make at least a shorter version of your main video to use for retargeting, because they've already seen your video previously, so it just doesn't make sense to show the same video, although you can by offering discount, but you kind of want them to feel like they're just watching the same video. So in that ad level, you're gonna have a 5% off discount code. You can just say on your ad, use this code to save 5% or free shipping. You want to offer that, and just use the same ad copy, ad description into your carousel. Carousel is basically just multiple images of your product. Now you want to make your second ad set within that campaign, which is called a view content excluding ATC, and that's the custom audience here. Okay, which we have already made, and you want to do the same thing, although you want to change the discount to 10%. So they're closer to purchasing than people who just watched, okay? So basically, these are all the people that landed on your page but didn't click the add to cart. So you want to give them a better offer, right? So you give them 10% offer plus free shipping. Same thing, just copy the ad description and add that in the carousel. Now, lastly, you want to include the third ad set, which is the most important. I find most of the time this is the most profitable ad set from this campaign, which is the add to cart excluding purchase. Add to cart excluding purchase 180 days. And now you want to give them 15% off a discount code. So this is how you want to create your retargeting initially. If you're generating 5 to 20 sales, make sure you use this strategy as soon as possible, because you can have at least 5x return on investment. Like I said, this is the bottom funnel of your Facebook ads. This is where people are most likely gonna buy. Okay? Now in part 2, which is gonna be a separate video, it's gonna be longer. That is the advanced retargeting strategy. If you are making 20 or over sales, or make sure you just watch that anyway and get a few pointers there. I'll be uploading that video shortly, maybe in a day or two, because it requires more explanation and more detailed. Okay? Make sure you implement this into your strategy right now. Join our Facebook group called Ecom Action Takers. Link is in the description. If you learned something new here, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, and I will see you guys soon.